Is your Windows PC suddenly restarting again and again after installing a recent update? Some users say their system rebooted more than 15 times in a row. If you installed update KB5077181 and your PC is acting unstable, this video will explain what's happening and how you can fix it. According to reports shared by NeoWin, several users began experiencing serious issues shortly after installing update KB5077181, keycap 1 boot loops and login failures. The biggest issue is an endless restart loop. Some devices keep rebooting repeatedly before finally landing on a broken login screen. When users try to log in, they see a system event notification service sends error saying that a specific procedure could not be found. Because of this error, the system fails to load the desktop, completely locking users out. In some cases, multiple systems in the same environment were affected. Keycap 2 internet not working, DHCP errors. Another major problem involves internet connectivity. Some users report that their Wi-Fi shows as connected, but there is no working internet. The cause appears to be related to DHCP errors. Because of this issue, the system fails to receive a valid IP address, which means no real internet access even though the network icon looks normal. Keycap 3 installation failures and error codes. Not everyone is able to install the update successfully. Several users reported installation failures with error codes such as 0x800F09A3, 0x800F0991. One user was able to fix the installation error by running the system file checker tool using the command sfc/scannow. However, this fix only helped with installation problems. It did not resolve the boot loop or networking issues. If your system is stuck in a restart loop where you cannot log in, uninstalling KB5077181 may solve the problem. You can remove the update in two ways. Option 1, through Control Panel, go to Install Updates, find KB5077181, click Uninstall. Option 2, using Recovery Mode command, you can use this command, wusa/uninstall/KB5077181/quiet/norstart. After removing the update, many users reported that login loops and service errors stopped. However, keep in mind that Windows May 11th automatically reinstall the update. To prevent this, you can temporarily pause Windows updates and settings. If you're affected, it's recommended to uninstall the update and wait for Microsoft to release a fix or revised patch. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.